Saraswati Shishikunj, Vagwala Borsad, English Medium, Standard 4th Subject Maths. As you know that in the previous video, you have seen the definitions which I have revised you and the steps to construct a circle using compass and with exercise also. This thing we had seen, right? So today we are going to talk about balancing act. You all know that it's a ball, right? So can you balance this ball on a one finger? No, it's not possible to balance it on a one finger. If you will hold it like this, look, it can be balanced, right? The next thing is the cover of a container, plastic container. Okay, if you will balance it from here, will it balance? No, from one corner side of the circle it can't be balanced. If I will keep on other side, look like this, will it be balanced? No, it get fell, right? But if I will balance it from the middle of center of the circle, okay, if you will see, then it get balanced, right? So we can say that it can be balanced from the center of a point. Okay, circle, we can say that circle is balanced from the center of its point. Okay, clear? Okay, now let's see a story of 4 friends which is on Spin the Top. Spin the Top. It is a story of 4 children. One day it was raining. On that day they were used to feel bored. Why? Because they can't go outside to play, right? As you also feel boring, right? When it's raining and you have to stay inside the home at that time, when you don't go outside for the playing at that time. One of the child, Anu, thought to make top of a cardboard. Okay, so all of that 4 children made the top. Anu and all the other 4 children made the top in a such way, as you can see here in a picture. Okay, from this we are going to have few questions. So our first question is, whose top will not spin at all? If you will see in the image, then we can say that the top which was made by Zakir and Naina will not spin at all. Why? Because the stick which they had kept inside that cardboard, okay, it is near to the outside of that cardboard. It is not in the proper center, right? And just because of that it will not spin. So our answer will be here, Zakir and Naina's top. Okay, second question is there, whose top will spin a little? If you will see in the image, then you can see that Guddu, who had made the top, okay, the stick of that top is little bit near to the center, so it will spin, right? But it will not spin in a more, it will spin only a little bit. So here answer will be Guddu's top. Third question is, whose top will spin the best? Appu, who has made a top, she kept the stick in middle of the center of a circle. Okay. If you will see in the image, Appu's top, you can find that she kept stick in the center of a cardboard, right? So it will spin in a very well way. Okay, so we can say that here answer will be Appu's top will spin the best, right? So we will write here answer Appu's top. Last question is, in whose top is the stick nearest to the center? As I already explained you in the second question only, that Guddu, who kept the stick near to the center of a cardboard. Alright, so answer is here Guddu's top. I hope it is clear for you. Now let's move towards other 2 exercise. So let's see here, match the following. On the one side number 1 is there radius of circle, second number is diameter of a circle, and third is chord of circle. On other side, A, the biggest chord of the circle. It means it is, you have to find the definition, that which is the perfect definition for that. Line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle. C, line segment joining any 2 points of the circle. So let's try to find the answer of the first one, radius of circle. So what it will be? Perfect definition is the biggest chord of the circle? No, it can be true. Line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle? Yes. So radius of the circle, it means the line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle. Okay. So here first is with B. Now let's see for the second, diameter of circle. So diameter, if you will see, if you all know, remember, right, then diameter, which is passing through the center of a circle and having its both the end on circle only, right? It means it is the biggest line segment, we can say. So biggest chord of the circle. Second number is with A. Third, chord of circle. Chord means the line segment passing through the circle and its both end on circle only. Okay. So here if you will see chord of circle. So it is line segment joining any 2 points of the circle. Clear? So here answer will be C. I hope for the definitions it is again clear for you. Let's see other exercise. As you can see here, the second exercise is find the following on the basis of the given figure below, right? If you will see here figure, in this it is a circle, right? In circle, on the circle the points are given A, B, C, D, E and F. The center point of the circle is given the name as P. Okay, so let's see now the first question. Center of this circle. What is the center of the circle? So we can say that point P, right? If you will see here in the figure then, so your answer will be here point P. Second question is radius of the circle. If you will notice here, right? Radius means segment between the center of the circle to the point on the circle is called radius, right? So if you will see here, then point P is attached with all the points which are on the circle, right? So these all the points we have to write it one by one. AP, BP, then CP, DP, EP, FP. Clear? Okay. So let's write that answer. AP, BP, CP, DP, EP and FP, right? Third question is diameters of the circle. If you will see here, diameters means a chord or line segment which passing through the center of the circle having its both the point on circle. All the points on the circle and all of them are passing through center. Look, AE, BF and CD. All these 3 points, right? So we are having 3 diameters, AE, BF and CD, right? So let's write that answer. AE, then BF and last is CD. Okay. Last question is chord of the circle except the diameter. We don't have to consider the line segments which are as a diameters. We have to take that line segments which are not passing through the center. So if you will see here, the chord which is not passing through the center is AB, BC and CA. Again AB, BC and CA. These 3 line segments are not passing through the center of a circle. So it means it's not considered as a diameter. Okay, so your answer is AB, BC and CA. Clear? Just take a look. Hope that it is clear for you now all the topics regarding this chapter about radius, diameter, circle, chord, line segment and all these things, and how to draw a circle with using compass, and we can draw many designs also. Okay, so don't forget to do your worksheet. Thank you.